What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play Hollow Knight with controller on PC. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly start playing Hollow Knight here with your controller on your PC? Well, there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. So currently we are in Hollow Knight's Steam page here, and typically if you view the right side here, as you can see, there's some information about the game. Now, the great thing about Hollow Knight here is you can actually play the game using an Xbox controller. So if you already have an Xbox controller with you, you just need to plug that in into your PC, and as long as your controller has some power on it, it will automatically work whenever you start playing it. So in this case, if you have an Xbox controller here, it's going to be great for you. It will automatically work for you. But for other controllers, like for example, if your controller is not an Xbox controller, well, it may be kind of difficult for you to make it stop working. Now, there are going to be some settings that you may need to turn on. So in this case, you could try using a different controller here. So in this case, you want to go and click on the Steam at the top left here. So you have Steam, you want to go and click on it, and you want to go to settings. Now under settings, you want to go to the left panel here, and you want to look for controller. Click on it. Now from here, you want to identify which type of controller you currently have. Now if you have a Pro controller, you want to enable Pro controllers here. Now you also have the generic controllers here, so which in this case, if you enable this one, it will start working on Steam. Now, yeah, so in this case, you have PlayStation control support here as well. So in this case, you may want to enable this or enable in games without support. But then again, just make sure to set up the proper controller here. So either a Pro controller or generic here, just turn on the appropriate setting for it. But to be speaking, once you've done that, you should be able to start playing Hollow Knight here. But then again, some support may not are quite unknown for this specific game here. But definitely, if you have an Xbox controller here, you should be able to start playing the game. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.